It's absolutely colorful. It's pink, gold, My name is Patrick Vogel and I'm a 3D artist and architect. It's a kid's dream. Porsche is a brand that I loved as a kid. Porsche is a dream for almost everyone I know. What really inspires me about Porsche is the pure aesthetics of the cars. I have to say that this was one of the coolest projects I ever done in my whole career because it started with an amazing team. The whole process was like a hell of a ride because we had huge time pressure, but it was amazing. It was just fun. I think it's a really big thing for Porsche because they're entering a completely new world. It's a new scene, it's Web3, it's brand new, everything is about co-creation, everything is about what comes next, everything is about being the first, being a pioneer. The whole NFT collection, the whole project is far more colorful than people expect right now. People can choose between 3 different routes. The first one is a heritage route, and then we have the lifestyle route and the performance route. People can expect to be part of a really cool community, to own a really unique NFT. You are the author of your own NFT, basically. You decide which way you go, and you decide how your NFT will look in the end.